Hey, this is Wendy, and I've got a couple of these Mise and Scene, if I'm saying it right. They are actually viral in K-Beauty, and they sent me these as a sample, and I wanted to share these because you can get them on Amazon. I have very fine hair, and I absolutely love these. First of all, the scent is unbelievable. This is the original, and this is the rich. So I'm gonna have them both linked on my storefront here for you guys. But the original is the one I would personally use because I have very fine hair. And the smell is like just fresh, a little bit of floral, but just beautiful. And it is very, very emulsing. But what you'll do normally is put it on wet hair and just, you know, kind of run it through the ends if you have fine hair so you don't get greasy up top, but it does not weigh your hair down. And then blow dry it at night and your hair is gonna smooth out, just look like you had like a fresh blowout, or in the morning, of course, if that's what you do. Then there is a super rich. So for those of us that have color treated hair, damage our hair with all the hot irons and things out there, this is perfect for that too. So I would get these, try one or both depending on your hairstyle and your hair needs, but these are great quality. They are viral for a reason, and I really hope you guys